Welcome back. It is a breakfast hash with the deli favorite. At the start of the show, Laura Norris, owner of Ragazza, is here to make her family's recipe for pastrami hash. So first off, question is, why does an Italian restaurant smoke pastrami?
Well, we have a lot of smokers in our family.
Okay.
So we took sort of what we know, and there's a theme between Italian and Jewish delis.
Yeah.
You know, so we kind of combined a lot of those things. When Ragazza first opened, it was sort of supposed to be a deli, but it morphed into a restaurant kind of before our eyes. So we're kind of trying to hold on to that pastrami that is so delicious that we smoke ourselves.
Okay.
So we started doing brunch, and pastrami hash is sort of a famous brunch piece. So we used our smoked pastrami, and then we do a triple cooked potato, which is really good. So I've started here with just butter and olive oil and some onions and red pepper.
Okay.
And we're just going to add these roasted potatoes.
You said triple cooked. So
yeah.
what's the
So
triple
basically,
cooked?
I'm cooking them again, heating them up more. You know. So they have been slow roasted to make them soft, and then we deep fry them really quickly.
All right.
To make them a little crispy, and then we saute them with the other ingredients.
And
then
in goes the pastrami?
And then in goes the pastrami.
How do you smoke the pastrami? Is there a specific way that you guys do that? Or
yeah, we actually have an electric smoker, and so it's the simplest thing. I mean, we have a special rub, which I will not tell you.
Oh, it's proprietary.
Yes, but
get that out of the way.
But it's really simple. I mean, we smoke it with hickory, and we also make sandwiches from it, and it's just ridiculously popular and delicious.
Yeah, well, it smells ridiculously good as well.
I know.
So once you get this all heated up, how do you serve it? Or what do you serve it with here, I guess?
I'm going to show you. It's just going to be on its own because it's quite a hefty dish.
Yeah, I mean, it seems a little bit heavy there, right?
Yeah, so.
That's a breakfast that'll satisfy for a while.
Right? Yeah.
Look
I think
at
it's
that.
important to have big, healthy brunch portions.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we have a really fun brunch with lots of things. I have another one of our favorite dishes over there is the potato gratin, but this is probably our second famous.
Okay.
And this is just a bechamel, a traditional bechamel sauce with Gruyere cheese.
Bechamel. Now, can you tell a little bit more about the bechamel sauce?
Yeah, bechamel
what all is in that?
it originates in French cooking, but it is it starts with a roux, which is just butter and flour.
Yeah.
And then you slowly add milk.
Okay.
And we add a little cream and, of course, Parmesan, because Italians always have to have Parmesan.
Of course. Gotta have
And
some sort of
then
cheese in
to
there.
go with, we add the Gruyere to kind of complement the pastrami.
Yeah.
Because that's, uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, don't
Gotta
break.
fix her egg.
Don't break.
Hold on, it's gotta look nice.
I know, right?
There it goes. You saved it.
Yes.
It's okay, you've done this once or twice before.
I know, right? So,
Here, let's
Anyway.
Okay, a little crushed
yeah.
pepper.
So that's basically it. So
And that's the smoked pastrami. That's the
Yes.
triple cooked potatoes
yes.
with an egg and the bechamel sauce.
The
on
bechamel,
top?
you got it. Gruyere
Okay.
bechamel sauce.
Can I try a bit of it here first?
Absolutely.
This is the best part of my job, Laura, I'm not gonna lie, is having all these famous people in here that cook fabulous food, and then I get to eat it.
Yeah,
All right.
Make sure you get the pastrami.
Get some. I got a piece of the pastrami there, I think, didn't I? Oh, let's get more than one. There we go, just in case. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's good right there. You gotta try that. Hold on, I'm speechless here. Okay, Laura, thank you so much for that. One of these days I'm gonna learn to take smaller bites, but why not? Because you gotta enjoy it while it's here too. So, Laura, thank you so much for being here. That pastrami is out of this world, by the way.
Absolutely. Thank
All
you
right.
so much.
Blend over.